I see that the people are interested in the new developments.
Oh, that's good.
On the other hand, it's of course difficult to understand for them. How can I integrate this process into my company, into my production?
So we're at a kind of starting point, aren't we? Explaining.
And this is where we need to help them to build up this business case.
Brilliant.
And therefore we have a lot of different solutions. We have a lot of different inks, pre-treatments that are required. And so we are implementing the whole process in the customer's facility.
Brilliant. How have you got on? Have you seen people you're interested?
Wow, yes.
Tell us,
Tremendous, actually.
That's good.
Yes, absolutely tremendous. Surprisingly, we find very focused people here.
Yeah.
They are focused. They know what they want. They come for an application, and it is straight away. So the conversation turn into a technical explanation and sharing immediately a few seconds after saying hello.
Yeah, brilliant.
Our theme over this event has really been about how we can turn inkjet from a graphics process to a manufacturing process, and how we're using our technologies within our print heads to be able to enable the jetting of higher viscosity fluids that allow us to do more than just print color. We've done a lot of talking around our work within the battery industry, so printing the outside protective coatings of EV batteries. We've also looked at how we can use high viscosity for print onto corrugate, which is traditionally has always required a primer, but with a higher viscosity we can get a better color and a brighter print for the same amount of fluids. But then also we're looking at how we can use our heads in those industrial environments. Where can we use them in 3D? Where can we help people with wax printing, for example? And it's been really nice to be able to have a few of our customers here who are showing our technology within their demonstration theatres.
Brilliant. And I think ultra high viscosity is really on everybody's radar at the moment, isn't it? And it really sort of taking inkjet into a entirely new place. This event, though, give us a feel for your impressions of it and how it might benefit its art.
Yeah, I think we're really impressed by the event in total. It's really nice to have both people we've known from the past, so our colleagues and our OEM partners, but also had a lot of new people arrive who we've never spoken to before. And it's just be able to bring that message of what we can actually bring to that market space to a new group of people.
Give us your feel for the event.
I am very impressed by the event quality and the quality of the attendance. We're very happy. Today is the second day, but already yesterday was, the balance of the experience is very positive for us. We had some very high quality visitors, I have to say. For me, it was a way to have a marketing initiative, create awareness around the technology, but actually what we got is actual sales opportunities. So it's really good.
The location is unique. I mean, that's especially for the visitors. I think it's beautiful. It's relaxed. It's open. The atmosphere is very good, and I think that's one of the unique things what I experienced till now on this event. We have very open discussions. We do networking. There is time. There is availability. We have a good time here.
And you've met some interesting people, some potential new leads for business?
We have some nice show leads, and where I have great belief that will evaluate in, of course, in sales or in cooperation. We do a lot in cooperation with printer builders or ink suppliers or whatever. New applications. Yes, we have work to do after the show.
First off, I think it's a really unique event. I'm very glad to see you guys back in the event space in this area. There's not a lot of places for us to go where you have an entire event that's pretty much focused on direct to object and what I call print for manufacture or functional printing, because these two things are actually very close. And I showed a curve yesterday in my talk on the sort of technology S-curve. If you think about the two industrial inkjet markets that I feel are about to hit hypergrowth, it's direct to object and functional print. And you've brought together, I would have to say, the top 10, 15, 20 leaders in both of those spaces. So it's a great event, okay? Great venue, and we're really excited to be here.
Especially for us as BHS Corrugated, being a manufacturer of corrugated machines for making corrugated board and digital print as well for the corrugated industry, I see it very important for us to find the right connections to the right OEMs to find the right technology. I was here yesterday with a colleague from our R&D team, and for him it was really a very great event to get contact to all the people, to talk with the people about new things, and then of course to see what tools and what systems we can use for our machines to be better in the future.
Fantastic. And I sort of think with VHS, with the work you're doing, you're really kind of transforming the corrugated industry. So what kind of people perhaps did you meet here, and what kind of technology do you think, okay, this is either validating where we are, actually I've learned something new, because there's talks as well as showcase, isn't there? So they're kind of a mix.
Yeah, I think that was really interesting. I remember when we talked first about the event a few months ago, or last year, I thought about, okay, could that work? Yeah, and when I entered yesterday the room, it was clear for me that this concept really works. Yeah, so having a smaller show with really technology and having talks supporting the technology and the network capabilities, that really helps. And of course here, it's just great to see, if you look around here, that people stand around, they talk to each other. There might be competitors in a way, but in a way they will be partners in the future. It's not about being enemies, it's about making here the connections to find the right tools, to fit them together, to make the best products for our customers in the end.